Here is the Iowa State Fair forecast for today. This is the weather forecast video for Tuesday, August the 14th, 2012. Taking a look at the satellite image from last evening, we have a couple of disturbances to our west that is producing some showers and a few thunderstorms in the Plain States, a couple thunderstorms across the Mid-South and into the East Coast. Elsewhere, it's quiet. The watch warning map from a bit before midnight. Excessive heat warnings continue over the San Joaquin Valley and the desert southwest. Severe thunderstorm watch during the early morning hours over Mississippi. Red flag warnings over the northern Rockies, and fairly quiet elsewhere. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 7 o'clock, showing decent amounts of rain east and south of here. Around here we could see anywhere between a quarter to a half an inch, maybe some isolated heavier totals with the storm system Wednesday and Thursday. So let's take a look at that storm system with the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. We have a northwesterly flow aloft. Ridge still to our south and west, keeping the heat around the four corners in the desert southwest. And all the rain will be to our east and a little bit to our south over Kansas. There'll be some rain there. Otherwise, it's mostly sunny and highs in the 80s across the state. We head into Wednesday, and here comes a frontal system that will be coming in from the north and west. Could bring some late day showers in the far northwestern counties. Otherwise, increasing cloudiness with highs in the 80s to lower 90s. Thursday, the front sweeps in, and it sweeps in pretty quickly. It'll be clearing in the northwestern counties by early afternoon, and by early to mid to late evening in the southeastern counties, with highs dropping throughout the day into possibly the 70s for highs here Friday, maybe even a few upper 60s, with the rain well to our south and east, high pressure directly overhead, and that could mean Saturday morning we could see some interesting weather conditions. But Saturday during the day, there could be some instability showers with the cold air aloft, so we could see some instability showers. Again, here on Sunday, we could see some of those instability showers. They're going to be very isolated. Otherwise, it's going to be mostly sunny with highs in the 70s to near 80 in the southwestern counties. Monday, that instability part of the storm system moves off to the east. Another storm moves into the Plain States that brings showers and storms over Nebraska and Kansas. And by a week from today, we still have a northwesterly flow aloft, a trough over the eastern about third to half of the country. Storm system coming into the west coast near the San Francisco Bay Area. And we could have some showers and storms around here, although very widely scattered at this point. No real organized system around to keep our chances any more higher than that. A couple days later on the 25th, pretty much still a west to northwesterly flow aloft, although a ridge is trying to set up over Canada or the Canadian prairie provinces. And with that, we can see some possible showers around, but they're going to be few and far between as the temperatures look to be about seasonal averages, maybe around low to mid 80s. At the end of the forecast on August 29th, subtropical ridge over the south and east, trough over the north and west at this point. We have a zonal flow over from the Rockies eastward, and with that, quick-moving storms, quick-moving systems, meaning little chance of any precipitation, or at least heavy precipitation, so we'll see if this happens or continues on further runs. Thank you for tuning into the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Wednesday.